Trader Zoman here, July 23rd, 2018, and we're going to talk about Health Med Services, ticker symbol HEME. I'm looking at the daily chart right now. I do see some support over here. Seems like it's been stabilizing at the lowest level for 3 days. Been trading here for about 3 days as well. Finally looks like some type of support over here, and hopefully we can see an upward trend coming in starting from tomorrow moving forward. That being said, I just looked at the daily. What I want to do is just look at a shorter time frame, get a better indication if it really is support. It does still look like support. It looks like a nice bottom. It looks like it's trying to trail upwards again. We'll see what it does tomorrow at the open. If it starts moving higher and breaks through 5.2, I believe it will continue going higher moving forward. So all the people who got long at a higher level, I'm one of those individuals, so don't be upset. I'm not always right, but I do a good job trading, and I know based on my history of technical analysis, I'm very confident in the positions I get into, and if it does go against me, I reassess and reevaluate the position I'm in and try to see if if I should get out or if it's still a buying opportunity. In my opinion, I think at this level it's a great buying opportunity. If individuals didn't get in, this might be an opportunity. Remember, this is my opinion. It's not a recommendation of any kind. I'm an educator. I've been doing this for approximately 18 years. I can, understand trading patterns. It's a language to me like any other languages that any individuals need to learn to understand it. If you're looking to take a course in the near future, please visit my website at www.thetradingteacher.com, or you can follow me on Twitter and ask me further questions about upcoming courses at Trading Teacher. Guys, have a good one. I hope this post was informative to you. Any questions, feel free to contact me on Twitter. Take care.